What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, family, for this Sriracha chicken wing recipe, all you're going to need is baking powder, black pepper, salt, paprika, raw honey. Today I'm using rosé and balsamic vinaigrette, Sriracha sauce, and chicken wings. This is going to be an easy and a beautiful treat, family. And without further ado, let's get to making these wings delicious. Okay, family, you want to make sure you do clean off your chicken nice and thoroughly. If you are using whole chicken wings, in a later video, I'll show you how to cut out your drums and your flats. Okay. Now at this time, family, we're going to move over to our dry rub. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, black pepper, our paprika, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our baking powder. The baking powder is going to give us the nice crunchy flavor while we're baking it, and we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Looks good. Give me a like. All right, we're going to move over to our mixing bowl and we're going to add our dry rub into our chicken wings, and we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Next, we're going to empty the rest of our dry rub onto our wings, and now we're going to give this a good massage. Yes, these are going to be the most beautiful wings you've ever had. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer our wings over to our cookie sheet with our baking rack on it. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, family, and we're going to allow it to cook on the first side for 20 minutes. Until then, let's move over to our sauce. We're going to add a ½ cup of honey, a ½ cup of Sriracha sauce. You're going to add a little drizzle of the rosé vinaigrette. And to have some fun, we're going to use our balsamic vinegar. Great flavor, baby. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Looks good. After about 20 minutes, family, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull our chicken wings out and we're going to turn them over. We're going to place them back into our oven for additional 15 minutes. Until then, quick fact. Where was Sriracha originated? Thailand. Sriracha sauce is believed to have been invented in Sriracha's Thailand by a woman named Phanam Chakapai. Her sauce recipe is now manufactured under the name Sriracha Panic. The Thai version is sweeter and thinner than a Hoi Fong food recipe. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Alright, family, and after the 15 minutes, this is what we're looking like. You did this. We're going to go ahead and transfer this over to our mixing bowl, and we're going to go ahead and add in our sauce. Now let's go ahead and give this a great toss. Look how beautiful that looks, family. Give yourself a like. Yes. Alright, let's plate this up for you guys. Now we're going to add some chives on there for our garnish, and this looks beautiful. I can't eat none today, but I might sneak a bite. But however, this looks delicious! And I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, family. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings and to our next food adventure. Peace.